Hi, this is Mike up on Stagecoach Road, and check out the cool sewing machine. This is a Bel Air. It's a Japanese-made sewing machine. Bel Air Precision Deluxe. And it's been refurbished. The motor's been gone through, and commutator and shaft have been cleaned. The brushes de-oiled. It's been delicately lubricated with the right oil at just the right places. Tension's been taken apart and cleaned. Check spring, which was broken, has been re-engineered. Needle has been replaced. The drive belt's been replaced. The foot control has been refurbished. In fact, the entire block and wiper inside of it has been replaced. And this machine is just in really great shape. An all-steel drive machine to start with, of course. Come on. And it's working really good, really smooth. Nice acceleration and deceleration. We're going to start our demonstration with some sheeting. Cotton, I believe. There we go. Really smooth. Just spins like a roller skate wheel. Probably not high enough definition on this camera for you to see that stitch, but it's a nice looking, well balanced stitch. So that was sheeting. This motor is a 1.5 amp. The motor on the Singer 201, which is one of their most powerful home machines, is I think about a 0.9 amp. So this is about 1.5 times the strength of that of the motor on a Singer 201. So we're going to sew some denim here. This is some heavy denim that came off of some Carhartt logger jeans. Listen to that, so smooth. That was 2 layers of heavy denim. So let's take that 2 layers of heavy denim and fold it in half to make 4 layers. And fold it one more time to make 8 layers. 8 layers of denim. Imagine sewing a pair of Levi's and coming across where the belt loops attach. Kind of like that. have it. 8 layers of heavy denim. Check that out. So it's a smooth, powerful, and very, very stylish machine. This is a work of art, actually. It's great colors. So here we have split leather. 2 layers of split leather. So there you have it. Bel Air Precision Deluxe Sewing Machine. This is a great sewing machine. Sew little dresses on it, or baby clothes. Sew upholstery and canvas. Make leather goods. Just an all-around good, solid, heavy-duty machine. And you can see this machine and others like it on our website at stagecoachroadsewing.com. We've got a lot of unique and interesting Japanese, German, and American sewing machines. Probably some things you've never seen before. A lot of really pretty two-tone machines. A lot of machines that are like brand new almost. Anyway, that web address is stagecoachroadsewing.com, and we'll see you there.